Hello everyone, in front of me is Realme Note 60 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open new message. Let me just go back. New message. You need to have access to keypad. Now tap on settings icon. Go to languages. Right now we have 3 of them. So let me show you at first how to add a language, then how to remove, and then how to switch between languages on your keypad. So to add new language, you need to tap on plus icon, choose the one that you want to add, and tap on done. To remove some language, tap on edit, and just mark languages that you want to get rid of. Go back, and once you have 2 languages applied, this word icon is the one that you need to tap to switch between languages. However, if you have 1 language only, so let me apply 1 language only, then this word icon disappears and you've got access to this 1 language that you set. So this is it. This is how you can manage keyboard language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.